welcome in the summertime. Ladies or beautiful ladies, maybe they went there for swimming or hiking. And then in 1962, Ho Chi Minh gave Japan freedom. 62. And so after 1962, we renamed that island.
Hello friends, today's weather in Hanoi is very awesome. It's pleasant because from some days it was very cold here, and today you can see the weather. So what could be better than taking a cruise tour on this bright sunny day? So we are on the way for Halong-Bay cruise tour, and this is our bus. It took us from Hanoi Opera House, and now we are on the way. On 8:15 bus has been started. So the journey till now it is very smooth. Right now we are here for 15 minutes for breakfast or anything if you have to do. And after few minutes it will start again and will reach to Halong-Bay cruise. Then we will meet there. See you. So welcome to the Halong-Bay International Cruise Port. And now we are moving towards cruise. I'm so excited. Vegetarian starter. So these are some starters for vegetarian people. 4 Indians are here. the cave. There are so many stairs. You can see. And I don't know how long I have to go more. And now we have to go inside the cave, the side. This is so narrow. I'm scared. I was feeling scared, but it was nothing. I don't know why nowadays I'm feeling so much scared. There was a place in the cave which was very narrow and I was feeling scared. I don't know why nowadays I'm feeling scared. So, but I'm happy that I have faced my fear, and firstly I went back that no, I don't have to cross the cave, but later then I came again and go through the narrow cave, so I'm very happy. So sooner or later you must fight with your fear. I'm feeling very good. And it was like nothing. It was just, I think it was 10 meters, less than 10